Hole drilling. You may need to drill holes for various reasons, such as you may need to use a tap and die set to rethread a hole. You might need to use a helicoil kit because you're repairing a hole, or you might be using a Timesert kit for repairing a torn thread or a hole. You'll need several tools: a drill, a center punch, a hammer, cutting lube, and goggles. Here's a nice drill index set with decimal, fraction, and letters. Here's the letters drills and the fractional drills. Then you'll need to know what size hole to drill. We'll use this table on the tap and die set. If we're doing an 8mm by 125, we need a letter H, or a 266 thousandths of an inch drill. For the helicoil, we'll need a 21/64 inch drill. And the Timesert comes with its own drill size, specific to it. We need a nice sharp center punch to create a starting hole. And we need a nice sharp drill. Check the edges and the tip to make sure they're in good condition. Here's another brand new drill with great tips and edges. This one's worn with a nick. This one's got a bluing tip and the edge is worn down, so it won't drill very well. Then you want to center punch the hole. We'll create a nice divot, and that'll be a starter hole so that the drill bit tip will fit into that hole. This makes it much easier for us to start the drill. We also want to use a cutting lubricant. This will help when we drill the hole, as well as performing any taps or threads in that hole. Place a little bit of oil in the hole and on the drill. We'll add more later as we start to drill. When you drill, you get the tip into the hole. Then you want to make sure to keep the drill straight up and down to create a hole that's perpendicular to the piece you're drilling in. Here we want to make sure we're 90 degrees from both angles, from the front angle and from the side angle. This creates a straight up and down drill. If the drill is crooked one way or the other, it's going to create an undesirable effect in a crooked hole. If you want a perfect hole, you use a drill press. This creates a straight hole. Getting the proper speed and the proper pressure with a sharp drill will create these nice curly cues. This means you've got the right pressure and speed and you're cutting through the metal perfectly. Partway through, you might want to stop the drill and add a little bit more of the cutting lube. This will keep the drill cool as well as keep it sharp and improve the cutting process. When you get near the end, the drill is likely to bind as it goes through the end of the hole. You may actually have to twist it backwards or reverse the drill a little bit to free it up. Hang onto the drill carefully because it may jerk out of your hand. As you complete the hole, you'll now want to clean the chips off so you can inspect your work. Make sure to wear goggles when you use a little air to blow the chips away from the hole so you can inspect to see how well of a job you did.